We are taught in this world to put things from outside, that this vitamin, this food is good for this. No, we need to remove the energy blockages, and I'm going to show you again. Only and only when the energy blockages are removed from the 3 levels, the energy course is the second level, and this one's on the right with the energy course with people. Only then the energy start flowing into our medulla oblongata, distribute to our chakras, and then distribute and feed our organs. And then our immune system, which is part of the innate self-healing mechanism that we all have, and then and only then we heal. Today I'm going to talk about how we really heal from the inside out. All the conditions that we have in our physical body, our mind, our emotions, or spiritual challenges that we may have are originated in the energy blockages we have stored in our subtle bodies, our astral or energy body, and our causal or consciousness body. An energy blockage is an informational issue. It's something toxic in consciousness and energies, but it's an informational, toxic, negative, dense issue or information. The purpose is getting stronger and stronger by attracting more of these toxic energies. If we have sadness, if we have depression, well, they will attract more of that negative energy into what we are going to see, our astral body. And the goal is to destroy us with sickness and accidents. If we have a sickness, if we have an accident, means that we have these energy blockages. They are energy and consciousness. Remember, it's an informational issue, toxic consciousness and toxic energies. Energy blockages affect our subtle bodies, our causal and astral bodies, then affect our physical body. There are different levels of energy blockages. There is a superficial one, which are toxic thought forms and energy parasites. The second one are toxic energy cords with people, with other human beings, whether they are alive or in spirit. What does it mean in spirit? They are people, humans, that have only a causal and astral body. People who were here on earth and they die, relatives or others. And there is a third level, we call it entities, that are very, very toxic energies that really affect deeply our mind, our physical body, our emotions, everything. This is a way to represent the energy blockages. They are literally like clouds of a toxic, a poison gas, but it's energy inside of our body, inside of our physical body, but really they are in our astral body and consciousness body. Usually we can refer it to the astral body. This is another type of energy blockages, that is when we have energy cores with people. In this case, they are alive, but they could be that one of these is not alive anymore. Still, we can heal the toxic cord of energy. And how do they come from? Usually, there are painful interactions, traumatic interaction with other human beings, in general. Remember that book, Feelings Buried Alive Never Die. If we are holding or trying to forget something traumatic that it happened to us and we didn't resolve it, they will come to the surface again. The deepest levels of energy blockages, there are non-human attachments with the spirits. This is something that I'm going to go deeper on another. I have videos talking about that. But there are really spirits, means that they have a causal body and an astral body, but they are not humans. That's why they are so dangerous for us.